Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Pinterest videos to your gallery. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Pinterest. And over here, I'm going to search for New York. And here we can see we have a bunch of options. Then I'm going to go into filters and change the filter to video. And in videos, you can go ahead and select whichever video you want. So I'll just go ahead and select this one right here. I'll just select this one over here. And then I'm going to click on the three dots and click on copy link. You can just save it over here, but that'll just save it to your collection. Then I'm going to go over here onto my browser. And here you want to come over here to this website called Pinterest Downloader. And here you just want to go ahead and copy the link and paste the link over here. And then click on the download button. It's going to go ahead and search that link, search for the video, and once it does, it's going to pop up right here, and then you can go ahead and click on download video. Then it's going to open up here in this little section where you can go ahead and play the video. And if you hold down the three buttons, you can go ahead and click on the download video. And then you can go ahead and download it. And once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and play the video. And then there you have it. That's how you do it. So that's basically how you can download Pinterest videos to your gallery. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.